Hey YouTube, it's Mrs. Kamori back again with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you what's inside my handbag. Today's bag is my Coach Rowan satchel in the signature canvas with the CC logo and with the black leather trim. Dark brown with the black leather trim. This is a great crossbody bag. I like it because it fits a lot. It's very easy to carry. And also, the strap has a good length to it. I believe it's 21 3/4 inches in length. And it fits me great. And I happen to be on the taller side. 5'10", and at the end of the video I will insert pictures, smudge shots of how and where it hits me, and I don't even have it on the longest length. I believe, let me see, there are 3 holes left, and it fits me at 5'10" in a great spot. So let's get started. I will start with the front pocket right here. Let's see what's inside here. Ooh, I have some pink, Victoria's Secret pink coupons. I have some Bath and Body Works coupons that my 7-year-old took to writing all over these. Just a little artist. What else is in here? Of course, the ever needy hand sanitizer. I have one of those in here as well, and that's it. And the front pocket is very spacious. It goes down, you can see how far down my hand goes, so it's a very generous space in there. Next, I'm going to move to the main compartment, zipper closure. Give you a quick overview of what I have inside. The first thing I'm going to grab out is this green thing here, my Trident gum, and this is in the spearmint flavor. Gotta have gum. The next thing out of this slip pocket here, right here, slip pocket, is some hand lotion, and this one is by Lotion, and it's in the I believe it's the normal or the regular scent. Has shea butter. It's very moisturizing. I like this. The other item in here, slip pocket, there you go, much better view, is this mini pen with a cap, and this color is pink. I got this off of Amazon. I think it came with a pack of about 5, and so I try and have my own pen with me, you know, going out and about. You get to sign documents and sign certain things, so it's good to have your own pen. And I like that it's little because it can fit in a lot of my handbags or easy to put in a pocket, so I like it for that reason. And the other items I have in here, I believe, are the tags that came with the bag. Coach Care card, and then the item. There you go. There is the item number right there if you're interested in buying it. I'll also link the website for this item on the Coach Outlet website if you want to go ahead and take a look and maybe purchase it. Now onto the main compartment right here. Here's an overview. There you go. I'm going to pull this item out first, which is my fan. And I got this off of Amazon. I live in Florida. It's very hot, so you know, even walking from your house to the car, you know, you break a sweat. So I always like to have a fan with me. I know it may sound crazy, but you know, hey, I like to be comfortable, so therefore I have the fan. And this, I got on Amazon. 2 speeds. And I like that it's compact, easy to fold up and put away, and it's very small. See, palm of my hand. So that's that. The next item I'm going to pull out of here is this, my wallet, my Louis Vuitton zippy coin wallet, and I will do a separate video on what's inside this and why I like it. This is my favorite, I believe, my favorite compact wallet, favorite wallet overall in general, for the time being. Very good. And I believe, what else is in here? Let's see. my Louis Vuitton mini pochette, and I have a separate video on what I keep inside this, so you can review that if you are curious to know what's inside. But here is a general overview. And let's see if I got everything out. That's it. We're empty. I've had this bag for a couple of years. It looks very good. Basically in new condition. I like it. It's an easy carry. It's very carefree. Keeps you hands-free. So it's a win-win for me. But there we go. That's all for this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.